From the East Tennessee Weather Center, here's your morning weather update with meteorologist Mike Witcher.
At East Tennessee Children's Hospital, we know that time is precious, but some times are better than others. That's why we have 4 urgent care facilities with pediatric experts ready to get you back to better in no time.
Good morning. Happy Sunday, everybody. Thanks for checking in with your morning weather update. It was a gorgeous day yesterday. We actually topped out in the 60s and 70s, 68 degrees at McGee-Tyson Airport, 60 in Crossville, 71 Chattanooga, and 66 in the Tri-Cities area. But we saw gorgeous sunshine. This is a time-lapse from yesterday at Monroe County Airport, KMNV in Madisonville, and a gorgeous sunrise, a beautiful aviation day yesterday. A little bumpy during the afternoon. Great day to practice those crosswind landings, but the general rule of thumb is we're in for more of the same. Elevated fire danger is going to ramp its way back up as well. Live look there before we get to work with the forecast this morning. A beautiful shot of the moon. Going to have another great sunrise taking shape, so make sure you check that out. Or even the sunset shots with the East Tennessee Weather live cameras. Scan the QR code on the bottom right-hand side of the screen and download the app today where you can watch those. And online, you can watch some time lapses from the previous day. All right, so we do have a cold front on the way, and this cold front is going to continue to slide our way. And as it does so, the wind is going to increase. We'll see a few high-thin clouds, but it is going to bring us increasing chances for showers and thunderstorms, and not to mention a possibility of a couple of isolated strong thunderstorms as well. All right, so here are your weather headlines. Sunny skies, breezy south winds, elevated fire danger throughout the day today. A line of showers overnight tonight, or at least into the evening and early overnight hours. And then as we get through, say a little bit of light rain possible on Tuesday, but drier weather expected all the way through next Saturday. So this morning we start off with temperatures in the 30s. We're above freezing for the most part. May have a little bit of frost showing up in, say, Rogersville, but the atmosphere is pretty dry. So not expecting a lot of frost, and most of us are above freezing this morning. We are trending a little bit colder this morning, a few degrees anyways from what we experienced yesterday. Lunchtime temperatures, though, will be a little bit warmer than what we experienced yesterday. We'll be in the 60s. Forecast highs today will be a little bit warmer than yesterday. We'll be in the 70s, maybe even pushing the mid to upper 70s for you folks in Chattanooga. Tri-Cities right around 70, Tazewell 69, and Lenoir City, we should make it to about 72 today. And if you have evening plans, getting ready for the work week, and yes, the kids going back to school tomorrow, at least some of them anyways, will be at 73 degrees by 6 o'clock tonight and then dropping down to 69 by 8. So a really nice evening if you want to get out and about, maybe take a nice little walk around the neighborhood. If if you've got those New Year's resolutions still going, get a little bit more healthy, exercise a little bit more. Today's a good day to do so. Now, the wind's going to be increasing throughout the day today, so if you have any sort of outdoor plans, keep that in mind. It's going to be rather gusty around the area. And yes, again, we do have that elevated fire danger with a special weather statement in the valley and a red flag warning into the mountains. National Weather Service is saying they highly encourage no burning today, but if you must, make sure you call your county's authorities to make sure that there's no burn permits or there's no burning allowed in your county, or there is burning allowed. Anyways, we do have a chance for some isolated strong thunderstorms. The best location is going to be across the Cumberland Plateau. We don't have a lot of instability, but there is going to be a little surge of instability just ahead of the frontal boundary for you folks on the plateau, and I think that's going to be our best chance for seeing best threat anyways, for seeing a few showers and thunderstorms. So we pick up our timeline at 7 o'clock tonight. Here's 7, 8, 9. We'll stop the clock at 10 o'clock tonight. Again, I think as we get into this time frame, that's when we could see a couple of isolated strong thunderstorms. Again, mainly along the Cumberland Plateau, Fentress, Cumberland County, down in the parts of Osage, Bledsoe as well. Rain showers are going to continue to slide their way on through all the way through midnight. Midnight, some heavier showers are going to be with us, and that's going to continue all the way through about the 2, 3, 4 o'clock hour, at which point here comes the cold front. It slides on through. Wind shifts to the northwest. That's going to usher in some drier air, and by Monday morning, we're going to have wet roads, but I don't think we're going to have a whole lot of rainfall for the morning commute, which is great news, and we're going to talk about some decent rain, some good solid rainfall to help with the drought situation. We've been talking about that. We talked about that yesterday, but we'll pick up anywhere from a half an inch to over an inch of rainfall in many locations. It looks like some locations are a little bit elevated than others, but the Weather Prediction Center has issued a flash flood risk. We're in the marginal. That is the category 1, so not expecting necessarily flash flooding, but it definitely exists because we're talking about the possibility of upwards of an inch or so of rainfall. So everybody gets wet today, then the rain fades early tomorrow morning. That 20% on Monday is really just during the early morning hours. And then another little wave swings through Tuesday throughout the day on Tuesday. Can't rule out maybe a couple of spotty showers. Here's what that looks like. Tuesday morning, we start off nice, quiet, and dry. We'll see the clouds increasing. Little system to our north that may spark off a couple of afternoon isolated showers. Not expecting much, and you can see with the model forecast, we're not looking at much. And then back behind that cold front, high pressure is going to be the name of the game, and that's going to help to warm our temperatures up. Take a look at your 7-day forecast. Beautiful weather on the way. Warmer, fire threat today, storms tonight. Quiet and mild as we get into our Monday. That next frontal boundary on Tuesday is going to help to drop our temperatures on Wednesday, and then a nice little warming trend all the way through the rest of the week and into the upcoming weekend. Now, we'll have to talk about next Sunday into Monday timeframe. It does look like another system may be heading our way Sunday into Monday. That could bring us more rounds of showers and a few thunderstorms. But all in all, some beneficial rain through the overnight hours, minimal severe weather threat, a couple of isolated showers on Tuesday. Smooth sailing for the most part over the next 7 days. All right, we sure hope you have a great day. Thanks for checking in with your morning weather update.